Hello everybody, welcome to Active Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from Unit 8 of your NEET syllabus, that is thermodynamics. The question is, a cup of coffee cools from 90 degrees C to 80 degrees C in T minutes when the room temperature is 20 degrees centigrade. The time taken by a similar cup of coffee to cool from 80 degrees C to 60 degrees C at the same room temperature, that is 20 degrees C. In both the cases, the room temperature is 20 degrees C. Okay, is how much? We are given four options: 13 by 10 into T, 13 by 5 into T, 10 by 13 into T, 5 by 13 into T. So these are all the four options. This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2021. Okay. This question has to be solved with the help of Newton's law of cooling. What is Newton's law of cooling? By Newton's law of cooling, the rate of cooling of an object. What does it mean by cooling? Rate of cooling means rate of fall of temperature. Okay, with respect to time of an object is directly proportional to the difference in temperature between the temperature of the object and that of the surrounding. It means what? T1 minus T2 divided by T. This difference divided by time. This is the rate of cooling. It's directly proportional to the temperature difference between the temperature of the object. So that object initially has 90 degrees C, sir, and finally it has 80 degrees C, which is to be considered as the temperature of the object, sir. Just your average mean value. So it is T1 plus T2 by 2 minus Ts, that is the temperature of the surroundings, which is your room temperature. So Ts, room temperature, surrounding 20 degrees C. T1 initial temperature, T2 final temperature, small t is the time taken. So the case 1, T1 is equal to 90 degrees C, T2 is equal to 80 degrees C, Ts is equal to 20 degrees C, and T is equal to T minutes. Of course, time taken T minutes. What about case 2? Let's see. Of course, case 1 has been repeated here. But for case 2, T1 is equal to 80 degrees C, T2 60 degrees C, Ts the very same 20 degrees C, and T is equal to, let it be T dash. We are going to find the value of T dash here. Okay, that's all. So substituting the values we get. So T1 minus T2, that means what? 90 minus 80 divided by T is proportional to T1 plus T2 by 2. 90 plus 80 divided by 2 minus Ts 20 degrees C. Now, what is 90 minus 80? 10 divided by T is proportional to 90 plus 80 by 2, 85 minus 20. That's equal to what? 10 divided by T is proportional to 65. 85 minus 20 is equal to 65. So 10 by T is proportional to 65 is your first relation. What about for case 2? 80 minus 60 divided by T dash, this is T dash, you have written T dash, is proportional to T1 plus T2, 80 plus 60 divided by 2 minus the very same 20 degrees C. What is 80 minus 60? 20 divided by T dash is proportional to, what is 80 plus 60 by 2? 70, is it not? 70 minus 20, 70 minus 20. What is 70 minus 20? 50. So here 20 divided by T dash is proportional to 50. This is your relation 2. This is relation for case 2. This is relation for case 1. Now they are proportional. But if you find the ratio, you can form an equation. Is it not? So from 1 and 2, 10 by T dash divided by 20 by T dash. Divided by you will inverse it. So T dash by 20. Yeah. 20 by T dash means into divided by 20 by T dash means into T dash by 20, is it not? So 10 by T dash into T dash by 20 is equal to 65 divided by 50. That's all. Okay. So you put T dash here and bring all the other things to other side. So 60 divided by 50, it is already there. This 10, when it goes to the RHS, will come in the denominator. Then this 20 will go to the numerator. So 20 into 65 into T divided by 10 into 50. ஒரு 10 10 2 10 20. So 2 into 65 130 divided by 50. 0 and 0 you cancel it. So 13 by 5 into t. Rather to say 13t divided by 5. So the time taken to cool is 13t by 5. Option 2 is the right answer for this question. Okay. So we'll see one more question from this unit, thermodynamics, that is unit 8, in our next video also. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.